Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 18th, 2020. In this additional with 5 Sudokus. This one is the fourth Sudoku, a binary puzzle. So let's get started with the binary puzzle. But first, what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones in a row plus 4 O's in a row. 4 ones and 4 O's in a row or in a column. Alright, so let's get started. We have a double 1 here no, there no, double 1 here no, there no, double 1 here no, there no, a double 1 here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O here and 1, there 1. Double O here and 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here and 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. 3. We have here 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Then if we have still 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have still 3 ones in a row. 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Double O here and 1, there 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes, need to compare. Yes, this column, the first column, and this column. Let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. That means these two boxes, I need to switch them. The 1 should be an O, and the O should be a 1. Alright, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this binary puzzle video. So now we have one Sudoku left, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper. In the additional, it will be a tectonic, this one, tectonic, aka Shiguru. So see you in a minute. Thank you and bye bye.